Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just go lost. This type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah. Only want your love if it's silent. But if it fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You can smile but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Chat. Should they fold that bitch no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga don't hit me back? Chat. Should read that nigga no questions asked? Chat. Chat. They chatting. They chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had lost that thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to feel good inside, you never wanna hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me, passed out on a nigga backseat. Cashed out on the backseat beach. Oh, you know my body, oh, you know that's me. Bitch, tricky might get me. All I want to love is inside there.
Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I give you this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you.
Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's silent.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
Yeah, that's the way I like it.
You can smile but none of these bitches.
That's the way I like it.
Wiping them down in front of these niggas.
That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
That's the way I like it.
Yeah, that's the way I like it.
You can smile but none of these bitches.
That's the way I like it.
Wiping them down in front of these niggas.
That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings ever been this faded. Maybe this is karma, definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my crazy feelings. 1 minute I'm cold and then the next I'm tripping. On with somebody new, I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind, she's still on my mind. Do we build it up, just to let it wash away? Tell me, did I lace you up, just to watch you run away? Please tell me who's getting on my love, who's getting on my love? Tell me who's getting on my time, all of that used to be mine. Oh, who did you teach what I taught you? Why did I give her my nickname? I don't like thinking about it, I swear that it's wearing me down. But tell me who's getting all of mine, who's getting all of mine? Love, 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 oh my love, love. Tell me, love, love, love. Tell me, oh my love, love, love. Tell me, who's getting love, 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 oh my love, love. Tell me, love, love, love. Tell me, oh my love, love, love. Tell me, who's getting all of mine, who's getting all of mine? Residuals. Who's getting all of mine, who's getting all of mine? Residuals. Made it clear you didn't wanna see the sequel. I was lying when I said it's feelings control. It took some time to realize all the different people. And love is blind, I see love is blind. Can we build it up, just to let it wash away? And tell me that I wish you up, just to watch you run away. Please tell me who's getting on my love, who's getting on my love? Tell me who's getting on my time, all of that used to be mine. Who did you teach what I taught you? Why did I give her my nickname? I don't like thinking about it, I swear that it's wearing me down. Tell me who's getting all of mine, who's getting all of mine? Love, 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 oh my love, love. Tell me, love, love, love. Tell me, oh my love, love, love. Tell me, who's getting love, 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 oh my love, love. Tell me, love, love, love. Tell me, oh my love, love, love. Tell me,
We made a beat track,
Babe, are we still in love? Or maybe we just need reminding where we lost it. I know where to find it. By the way, right behind this wall is everything I taught us. It's making me feel nauseous. How can I give all of it away? I know it'll probably hurt me more to stay, but I just don't wanna give it up. Or maybe we just need reminding where we lost it. I know where to find it. By the way, who's taking it from here if we don't work it out? Your dry spell has made me feel deserted now. I feel uncertain, I feel like such a burden. I'm trying to, still I don't wanna give it up. No, I just wanna give it my all, that's a given. 100%. Meet me in the middle, baby. It's simple, baby. If I'm with you, why would I wanna give it up?
When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, understanding what my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were trying to start for a sign. What's the reason? Wait. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy.
Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. get a bit inside, I feel it.
Take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up, then I take.
I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute. All good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend. So on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone. Got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it stripped it like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it. Beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. Hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect. We spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane. We in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song. Cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom. And no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk. At least I think so. Can't tell. Cause when them checks clear, they're not here. Cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing. Whatever happens, assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin. Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand. Even if you don't understand, hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. Fly.